What if the camera that redefined 360-degree video is about to outdo itself completely? Insta360 is widely rumored to be working on the X6, and the leaks floating around right now are honestly kind of wild. We're talking sensor jumps, frame rate boosts, and color upgrades that could put every rival on notice. In this video, I'm breaking down everything currently being rumored about the X6, what it means for creators like us, and why this launch might be more important than any Insta360 release before it. Stick around, because the last leak on this list changes everything about how this camera fits into the market. Before we even get into specs, let's talk about how we know this camera is real. Back in late March 2026, a device labeled Insta360 X6 quietly showed up in regulatory filings. That might sound boring, but in tech leak world, this is basically a smoking gun. Companies don't file certification paperwork for products that aren't close to shipping. So while Insta360 hasn't said a word publicly, the paperwork is doing the talking for them, and it's telling us a launch is coming sooner rather than later. Here's where things get spicy. Multiple leaks point to Insta360 finally moving to a much larger image sensor, reportedly landing near the 1-inch class, putting it right in line with DJI's Osmo 360. Why does that matter? Bigger sensors mean dramatically better low-light performance and sharper detail, something 360 cameras have always struggled with. On top of that, rumors suggest true 8K video at 60 frames per second, double the frame rate of the X5's 8K mode. If that holds up, we could even see something like 5.7K at 120 frames per second for single-lens shooting, which would be an absolute game-changer for smooth slow-motion content. A bigger sensor is only half the equation though, because footage is only as good as what you can do with it afterward. Insiders are pointing to a jump from 8-bit to 10-bit color, along with improved HDR support. If you've ever tried to grade Insta360 footage and hit that wall of banding or blown out skies, you already know why this matters. More color depth means more room to push and pull your footage in post without it falling apart. Nothing is confirmed yet, but with DJI and GoPro already offering 10-bit HDR on their 360 cameras, this upgrade feels less like a wish and more like a necessity. Pushing 8K at 60 frames per second in 10-bit color is not a small ask for any processor, which means Insta360 will almost certainly need a beefier chip and better thermal management under the hood. That kind of horsepower also drains batteries fast, so leaks suggest a bigger cell in the 2600 to 3000 milliamp range, potentially stretching shooting time past 100 minutes. And since all this new footage means bigger files, expect Insta360 to lean even harder into their AI tools, with rumors mentioning smarter auto reframing, subject tracking, and faster editing workflows to keep up with the workload. Here's the real story behind all these leaks. DJI's Osmo 360 already shoots 8K at 50 frames per second with 10-bit HDR, and GoPro's Max 2 isn't far behind. The 360 camera space has gotten seriously competitive, and Insta360's usual advantage is starting to shrink. Add in the fact that they've launched a new flagship every spring since the X4, and this certification lining up right on schedule makes a spring 2026 announcement feel less like a guess and more like a certainty. So if these leaks are even half accurate, the X6 could be the biggest jump this lineup has ever seen. Do you think Insta360 can actually pull off 8K 60 with 10-bit color, or is this wishful thinking? Drop your take in the comments, and if you want the real specs the moment they drop, make sure you're subscribed.